5 seconds. Fellow shorthand writers, let me at the outset thank the Andhra Pradesh Shorthand Writers Association for giving me this opportunity to preside over the Silver Jubilee celebrations. 25 years of useful service to the community through the art of stenography is a great achievement indeed. And when we consider the successful running of a state association of stenographers, membership of which is drawn from all walks of life in a smooth and efficient manner, always in the search for great opportunities of service in a spirit of humility and dedication of those connected with the management of the association can, without any false modesty, take legitimate pride. The Shorthand Writers Association of Andhra Pradesh, founded in the year 1967, almost from the beginning gathered momentum, and today it occupies the unique position of being the representative spokesman of stenographers in the state, and also has received in an abundant measure the esteem and regard of sister associations in other states. The association, right from the start, has concentrated on quality and sound basic training in the art of stenography, and with the growing years, this very objective has been achieved, and the association today is looked upon by men competent to express an opinion as a symbol of efficiency. I would like to say on this occasion that it was the unstinted service and unflinching devotion to the association of the founders that had been the real foundation for the growth and solidarity of the association. I am sure their spirit will hover round this place. During my discussion with your honorary president before coming here, I was told that many members of your association, by their hard work, integrity, and above all abilities as stenographers, risen to high positions and have enhanced the prestige of the association. I am also glad to note that all your members have shown the spirit of unity is strength. I have noted with satisfaction that your association has played a very important part in the promotion of all India bodies for stabilizing the position of stenographers and making their voices heard in their respective organizations and offices, and many of the national and local problems have been resolved mainly through your efforts, resulting in overall improvement. It is a matter of pride and pleasure that the association has encouraged research work in the field of stenography and has taken active steps to promote Telugu shorthand, realizing that the future of Telugu shorthand is indeed very bright. In view of the government's proposal to implement Telugu in all the official correspondence and in assembly sessions, shorthand gained much importance in the present day affairs, and stenographers have come to play an important part in running the affairs of the governments. I am happy at the valuable service your association is rendering in the promotion and development of the art of stenography and in protecting the best interests of the stenographers working in various offices all over the country. I have no doubt whatsoever in my mind that your association and other sister associations in other parts of the country will continue to play their role in this direction. I wish you all success in your efforts. Sir, we beg to acknowledge receipt of your letter of the second instant. We have given the most careful consideration to what you have stated in your letter. We are very sorry to inform you that we are not in a position to accept your explanation for your long delay in paying our dues. We have to point out that this amount has been kept pending for a long time. In spite of our reminding you about this, you have kept silent for more than 2 years. We are sure that you know very well that those who are in the business line cannot wait for payments from their customers for such long periods. It is a matter for regret that you have not even acknowledged our previous letters over a period of more than a year. We would have appreciated if you had acknowledged our earlier letters and explained your problems in detail. We would then have suggested to you ways and means by which you could get over your problems, and we would have assisted you in solving them, but you have not done this. It has complicated matters to a great extent. However, taking into consideration the long business relations with you, we will postpone any action against you if you send us a check this week assuring you of our best services. Yours faithfully.